Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and today I'm doing a reading for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. And this is a general reading for Sagittarius, so it may not resonate with every Sagittarius present there. So take whatever resonates and rest leave. I have already shuffled the cards and laid them out. On my left, I have spread the cards of Sagittarius, that how are they feeling in this connection, in their present connection. And on the right, I have your person's cards, how are they feeling in their current connection with you, Sagittarius. Okay, so we will just start with your reading and we will clarify side by side wherever needed. Okay, so let's start your reading, Sagittarius. Overall, what I'm feeling in your spread, Sagittarius, is that you are currently involved in a love relationship with someone, since we have the Six of Hearts at the bottom of the deck, which is the card of Lovers, and it is the card of Gemini. Okay, so but what I'm seeing here is that someone from your past is coming back into your life. The one with whom you were romantically involved in your past. Okay, and this person wants to come back into your life. So now you're thinking that why this person wants to come back now when you have moved on. Okay, so seeing in your recent past, what I'm seeing here is that a reconciliation is a possibility in most of you. Along with this, we have the Six of Spades, which is the card of infidelity. Okay, so this person coming back into your life can affect your current relationship with your current person or a partner. Okay, so it has the possibility, because you had a lot of affection and feelings and love for this person, okay, once in a past, and maybe you are not totally over this person, and when this person will come back into your life, you will again feel that sort of feelings for them. Okay, so there is a possibility of infidelity with this person involved, right? So this is a warning here, Sagittarius, and your present situation is telling me and you is that you are currently, some of you are not at the pink of your health. Okay, some of you may be having some health issues going on, or maybe many of you are feeling mentally exhausted, tired, okay, and want to rest physically, emotionally, and mentally. So you're feeling a bit low and some sort of sickness. Okay, it can be a love sickness, right? Or maybe you are feeling mentally exhausted because of the situation, that when you have started moving on and this person just want to come back into your life and you don't know what to do. What in your immediate and the near future, what I'm seeing here is that there are two possibilities. Okay, what I'm seeing here is a successful outcome in your love matters, and with this card we have the another card which is just opposite, and it is telling me that a breakup in a relationship. Okay, so what I'm feeling here is, Sagittarius, that you have two options. One is your current person you are dealing with, and the one who will come, or in many of your lives this person may have already appeared. Okay, so you have two options. One is a reconciliation and one is your present person, and this is causing you a mental sickness right now because you are confused. And in immediate future, I am seeing that you will go only with one, Sagittarius, and with one you will have a successful outcome, and with one you are breaking off completely. Okay, so we will see who will be this person most likely. Okay, let's move on to your person's reading, Sagittarius. What I'm feeling here is that the person you are dealing with was exhausted with the casual relationships he or she have been dealing with, okay, and they want something meaningful. So what I'm feeling here is that your person in the past have been dealing with many of their casual relationships in their love life or in their romantic life, okay, and they were not satisfied. There was something which was incomplete, okay. So this discontentment, okay, in their love life, in their relationships, has made them to love you, Sagittarius, okay, and they are really enjoying this. So what I'm feeling here is that your person wants a real deal with you, and they want a real meaningful relationship with you, okay. And your person right now is a bit confused, okay. So their present situation and feelings are telling me that because they have been dealing with a superficial and casual relationships in their past, and suddenly they are in reality they want this deep sort of understanding and love between the two people, but since they are not in habit of dealing all this, okay, so they are a bit confused. They want this, but they don't know how they should, okay. So a bit of confusion I'm seeing here in your person's mind and feeling and emotions, okay. But what I see in their immediate and near future, Sagittarius, is that they see themselves growing with you, okay, and you both are reaching at the same sort of height, okay, and the same tunings, the same vibrations. What I'm seeing here is that your person feels that you are a queen of clubs, okay, can be male or female, does not matter, and your person thinks that he will grow or she will grow with you and becoming another club with you, okay. So this is a beautiful thoughts they have in their mind, and they really want both of you to grow together, okay. So your person, but the issue here is this person who is coming into your life from your past, and let's see if you're interested in this person, Sagittarius, because we are seeing here that there are two options. One is the breakup and another is a successful outcome in your love life, right? And you are currently dealing with a lot of emotional stress because of these two people in your life, right? Okay, but the person you're dealing with presently and currently has a really good intentions for you. They really want to change and bring change into their life, and they see you someone who can bring that change, okay. So we will just see that, we will just have a clarification over this, and just don't forget the Six of Hearts, the card of Gemini and Lovers, which most likely I feel that you two have a love connection between, okay. So you two are really in love with each other, okay, you and this present person you are dealing with, and most likely he can be a Gemini, okay. So let's clarify and take some guidance from the universe and divine in this connection, Sagittarius, okay. So what is the message for Sagittarius for the month of July 2020 in their love life over the situation they are going through, okay. Important messages from divine and universe and the needed guidance, okay, which can help them in the situation. So let's ask for the universe and divine for the help, Sagittarius, and we'll see. Okay. Okay. Tower. freedom and fearlessness, and the King of Hearts. Okay, so what I'm feeling here, Sagittarius, that that you are healing, Sagittarius. Okay, what I'm feeling here is that over this time you have healed yourself. Okay, you have healed yourself with the help of spirituality, with the help of nature, with the help of efforts you have put into your life. Okay, and into yourself, your inner self, and you have healed yourself. Okay, you are healing, and I don't think that you are going for this person from your past. Okay, although you will feel good that this person has come back to you. Okay, this three of clubs is telling me that you will feel like, maybe it's a part of your ego, that you will feel like ultimately this person realized someday that yes, what they lost. Okay, so you will feel that way, but I don't think that you are interested in going back to the past. Okay, you are here, you are healing, and you have healed a lot. You have found your own space, your own peace. Okay, and yes, there is a tower. Okay, something will happen. Okay, and things will change drastically between you and your person. Okay, whatever confusion your person is going through, and whatever the situation you are dealing with, a common incidents will happen which will bring the two of you together. Okay, and a lot of things will get clear, and ultimately the card, this is freedom, this is fearlessness. Okay, and this is what you want, Sagittarius. You want a relationship in which you feel like you are yourself. Okay, and there is positivity, you are growing, there is fearlessness, there is no fear of losing anyone. Okay, you don't have to spy over them all the time. So you want such a relationship in which there's a lot of trust. Okay, you trust that person, there's a strong stability. Okay, and I don't think that you trust this past person who have already made you suffer a lot. Okay, so I don't think any Sagittarius is going for this past person. I believe, and it is most likely, that you will sail with this present person, and it will gonna be a fun. Okay, so this is the card of Joker, or in the and this is really amazing card. It's the card of freedom, fearlessness. Everything you want you can do. There is nothing which stops you, no restrictions, a lot of trust. Okay, and everything is building on this trust. So I think it's a really amazing reading for you, Sagittarius. Okay, don't be worried about this small situation you are dealing with. I hope this will be taken care of by you very wisely, Sagittarius. So I wish you luck, and if you like this video, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for further videos. And thanks for watching my videos. And till next video, I want you to just focus on yourself. Okay, take care, God bless you, love you guys.